Hey, what's up guys, it's Umair here. So in today's video we're gonna be learning what is Java, why should we use it, what are the benefits of it, and why is it important for you guys in the future. So let's get started. So first of all, what is Java? Well, basically Java is a magic language that tells your computer what to do. So for example, your friends will tell you what games to play or what stories to read. Just like that, Java tells the computer what games to run or what calculations to do. So a code. So what is a code in Java? Well, a code in Java is basically letters and alphabets that the computer understands. So with a code, you can basically make a program. And with a program, you can basically make artificial intelligence, robots, websites, and etc. And any chatbots you would like. So Java is used for web development, for mobile apps development, or you can also say mobile application development, enterprise systems, research applications like NASA and Internet of Things, and obviously gaming. So why should we learn Java? Learning Java is super important as the world is moving towards AI. So by learning Java, you can make chatbots like ChatGPT. And Java runs on billions of devices, and it lets you make cool games like online Ludo games, Minecraft mods, run escape mods. Now, what are the benefits of learning Java? Well, Java teaches basic ideas like variables, loops, and if statements. Java helps kids think logically and solve problems. Thirdly, learning Java literally at this age prepares kids for future tech jobs later that pays a lot of money. And with Java, kids can make games, animations, and apps. And by learning Java together, it helps kids work well in teams. Now, how to learn Java? Well, you should play games designed to teach Java programming concepts. So you should start simple by learning variables and new loops or if statements. And then once you've done that, you gotta go and search on Google about the topic you've learned to apply what you've learned so far. And then you can also experiment and explore codes to check whether they're gonna print something or not, or whether it's gonna print like or whether it's gonna give you an error or not. And you can also join coding communities, set goals and challenges, seek feedback from your parents or any other Java developers that is willing to help you. And by learning Java, you can also celebrate your achievements and your goals and use them as motivation to continue learning furthermore. Now here's the top 6 list of the games to learn Java. Well, first of all, there's coding games. Second, CodeCombat. Third, CheckiO. Four, Greenfoot. 5, Codewars. And 6, CodeHS. Now I'm gonna be putting the names of these 6 games down in the description below. Alright, and also and finally, by learning Java, it literally benefits you in any countries, like for example Pakistan, Europe, US, Canada, UK, China, and etc. And with Java skills, you can pursue for higher education and easily move to any other countries you would like. And with Java skills, you can fit in and succeed anywhere in the world. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. So I hope you like this tutorial about why should we learn Java, what are the benefits of it, and etc.